Okay, here we go. I've got a handful of quarters here. It's $1 per play. Okay, got one try on here. See if we can win this. Here we go. iPhone 10, first try. Here we go, right? Oh man, it's ready. I can definitely win it. Here we go. Second try. Let's see if we can win it. Pretty confident I can. It's due to pay out right there. Oh my gosh, that was so close. That was centimeters away. All right, correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, guys, but I'm pretty sure the iPhone X is supposed to be called 10. And it's just spelled with a Roman numeral, which people didn't really catch on to too quick, but honestly, I don't really care that much. Oh, that was so close. Okay, I'm positive we can win this. One more try. Here we go. Come on, baby. Thing goes up so slowly. Here we go. iPhone X. Oh, right there. We got it. No way. Heck yeah. Oh my gosh, right there. We just won an iPhone X/10, whatever you want to call it. Heck, ow. I just hurt myself. Heck yeah, look at this. 64 gigabyte. Boom. Nice. Well guys, that was really quick, but we did get the iPhone X. It was actually pretty easy to get out of here. You just gotta practice at lining up this, fitting this rod into these slots here, and eventually you'll get really good at it. And you can almost hit it every time and know if it's due to pay out or not. But that's how we won the iPhone 10. This is such a sick phone. Let me know in the comments what you guys thought about